Hey there, empowered peeps. I'm Ryan to the rescue, and today I'm going to show you another way to fix a door that has shifted a little bit. Do you have a door that is difficult to open and it rubs a lot? Yeah, so do I. Check out how this door has shifted so much it's rubbed all of the paint off, and it doesn't even close all the way. When you see cracks in your door frame like this, that means your house has shifted a little bit, and it's gonna throw off the alignment of the door, and then it's not gonna close properly. There's a couple of ways to fix this problem. In a recent video, I just showed you how to use these shims, and by putting these in the hinges, it can help align the door so that the latch will connect again. And that was effective last time, but this time I have a different situation. The gap at the top of the door is wider, and the gap at the bottom of the door is very narrow, which, if you think about it, that means that the door is shifted a little bit this way. And if I put shims in the hinges to straighten the door up this way, it's going to raise this corner even higher. Well, this corner is where I'm having the problem, and it's already too high, and it's rubbing so much that the door won't even close all of the way. So therefore, I'm going to leave the hinges alone, and I'm going to sand the top of this door. I could take the door off of the hinges, and if you want to do that and you don't know how, you can check out this video right here. I'll show you how to do it. It's really quick and easy. However, I don't want to do that today, so I'm just going to grab my sander and take care of the problem right where we are. I can see from the wear on the door frame that I'm going to need to sand the top of the door at least to 6 inches. Okay, now let's get to work. Well, that was easy. I just sanded the top of this, and now the door closes all the way, and there's even a small gap at the top. Well, I'm a little covered with sawdust now, but that's okay. Sawdust is my glitter. You can see how much I took off the top, and then also look that there's now a gap where there was previously no gap, and it was rubbing very severely right here. For this job, I used a black+decker electric sander, and I have no affiliation with the company, but it did a great job. And I also used coarse sandpaper, and it only took me about a minute or 2 at the max to file down that door. Now, to properly complete the home improvement project, let me erase any evidence that we ever had an issue with a crooked door at all. Now the door is sanded and painted, and it looks and works beautifully. So I'm proud of that project. I could caulk and paint that crack, but that's going to be a project for another day. Well, that was easy and successful. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I put out a new helpful how-to video. Now, if you ever find that one of your doors is misaligned and it's not closing properly, you know how to adjust the hinges with the shims, which we talked about in a previous video, and you also know how to just sand down the part that's rubbing. Either way, we can do it.